Should I use scipy.pi, numpy.pi, or math.pi? In a project using scipy and numpy, should I use scipy.pi, numpy.pi, or math.pi?
So it doesn't matter, they are all the same value. The only reason all three modules provide a pi value is so if you are using just one of the three modules, you can conveniently have access to pi without having to import another module. They're not providing different values for pi.
One thing to note is that not all libraries will use the same meaning for pi, of course, so it never hurts to know what you're using. For example, the symbolic math library scipy's representation of pi is not the same as math and numpy.
If we look at source code, scipy.pi is precisely math.pi, in fact, it's defined as. In their source codes, math.pi is defined to be equal to 3.14 quintillion 159 quadrillion 265 trillion 358 billion 979 million 323,846 and numpy.pi is defined to be equal to 3.141 decillion 592 nonillion 653 octillion 589 septillion 793 sextillion 238 quintillion 462 quadrillion 643 trillion 383 billion 279 million 502,884. Both are well above the 15-digit accuracy of a float in Python, so it doesn't matter which one you use. That said, if you're not already using numpy or scipy, importing them just for np.pi or scipy.pi would add unnecessary dependency, while math is a Python standard library, so there's not dependency issues. For example, for pi and TensorFlow code in Python, one could use tf.constantmath.pi.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.